What's up guys, it's me Gmail. This is my Sony Xperia XZ2 Premium. Yes, you heard me right, my Sony Xperia XZ2 Premium. So here is the flashlight test. So first let me make this in dark. Yeah, now it's better. And let me test the flashlight. How good is the flashlight? I mean it's quite good enough, to be honest with you. I mean, as you can see, can you see my hand or can you see this mouse? This is a mouse. Can anyone see? Can anyone see the mouse or not? Yeah, I mean now you can see. Let me go make it again. Okay. Yeah, it's good enough. It's not that strong, to be honest with you, but it's good enough. Subscribe and bye.